Today in class, or maybe it was yesterday at this point, we talked about how to find basic operations with functions, adding them, multiplying, dividing, subtracting them, whatever the case may be. And you're going to see that throughout this unit, we're going to be practicing how and looking at the patterns that you see within that. And today especially, as we plug in values, we'll hopefully see some other patterns here. So let's just start with f plus g of x. And so, of course, all that simply entails is that we're going to add these two functions together. And so what we would have here is x squared plus 3x plus 2, just to put it in descending order. So if I said f plus g of x of 2, then that simply means that we would add the functions together like you see in step 1 here, and we're going to plug in 2. So that would mean it's 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 2. So that's 4 plus 6 plus 2, and of course you get 12. Now, if I found f of 2, that would be 3 times 2, or 6. And if I found g of 2, that would be 2 squared plus 2, or rather 6. And so if I take f of 2 plus g of 2, what do you get? 12. And of course, the idea is that these right here are exactly the same. And that isn't by any coincidence at all. In other words, you can choose to do them either way. You can either add the functions first and then plug the number in, or you can plug the number into them individually and then combine those together. Hopefully that basically illustrates the point that you need to be successful at these lovely functions. And of course, again, just to see it as a rule here, f of x plus g of x is the same thing as adding the two functions together and then plugging in the number. And that's as simple as that.